Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, today we have lots of news for you. So sit back and subscribe our channel for daily football updates. According to Fabrizio Romano, Manchester United for the last 5 to 6 days have been really serious about the Camavinga deal. They opened talks with Camavinga's camp and with people close to Rennes to understand about the price, and they hope to do it around €30 million to €35 million. Liverpool are preparing a €40 million bid to sign Atletico Madrid midfielder Saul Niguez. Ronald Koeman has confirmed that he is counting on Griezmann next season. Koeman: for me, Griezmann is a very important player. It was a great deal for Barcelona. He showed his effectiveness. I hope he will stay. Griezmann showed an excellent performance last season. I assure you that I absolutely do not know what decision the management will make in the end. The decision belongs to the club, and whatever it is we must make it, because the most important thing for us is the extension of the contract with Messi. Crystal Palace have completed the €9.3 million signing of Michael Olise from Reading on a 5-year deal. According to Fabrizio Romano, there's nothing between Real Madrid and Richarlison. Everton and Rafa Benitez are convinced the Brazilian will stay at the club for at least one more season. AC Milan have completed the signing of Olivier Giroud for €2 million. The 34-year-old has agreed a 2-year contract with the Serie A side. I won 3 trophies at Manchester United and that was seen as a disaster. I reached a cup final which I was not allowed to play at Tottenham, and that was seen as a disaster. What's a disaster for me is considered as a great success for others, said Jose Mourinho. England have been charged with multiple disciplinary actions that occurred between England-Denmark match. One of which happened when someone, assumably an England fan, was found pointing a laser on Kasper Schmeichel's face when he was facing Harry Kane from the spot. Amazon's next All or Nothing series will be covering Arsenal's upcoming 2021-22 campaign. It was predictable England would be in the final of the Euros, as they played 6 out of 7 games at home, said Giorgio Chiellini. Manchester United have already made sure that Erling Haaland is their priority and their number 1 signing next summer after Edinson Cavani decided to stay in England and renew his Manchester United contract for 1 year. PSG are closely monitoring Pogba's situation and are in a dilemma whether to sign him this summer or to try to sign him for free next year, said Mohamed Bouhafsi. Schürrle could leave Bayern this summer. The centre-back is rumored to be departing the Bundesliga champions. He could leave the club when his contract expires at the end of the 2021-22 season. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.